Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make island pendants or molds, even for earrings, using these island molds, and the link to them can be found in the description below. I'm Juliet Migwi, and I'm going to share with you another resin art creation. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on such videos. And for more of these, like, I'm going to make more versions of these with different colors, not necessarily the palette we have today. So follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires, because that's where I share more of those, because I can't always make a full video, but I'm able to do a reel or a short. So please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires. So what are we going to use? We're going to use resin and mix it with our different colors. So clear resin, we mix it, and then we mix it at different levels with these different colors, and I'll share with you. We're going to use our island molds, and the link to this is in the description section below, and using that link is through my affiliate marketing. You support me when you do that. Thank you. And the colors, so we have the MEYSPRING wine red, we have the Piccassio terracotta, Piccassio sunset, Piccassio marigold, and Piccassio lemon. So we'll use these at different layers. And now I'm going to wear my protective gear, and from here on I'll just let you know what we are adding as we go on. These have cured. We're just going to demold them. See the layers? That's the first one there. The layers are so pretty. Okay. Look at that. Look at the layers. Okay. And they are the last one. Yeah. And so now we're just going to move them to the other side. Let me show you the one I've been working with. We're just going to move it to the other partner side like that, and then we continue with the resin. I will show you. I'm thinking of either putting clear, but I'm tempted to use a mix of the turquoise Piccassio and the SEISSO greenish blue, just a light touch of it, because I think they would look quite the contrast would look a little more interesting compared to clear. Clear would also work, but let's see how that will look. We have done our layers and they are cured, so we're just going to demold, and as we do that, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that in case I make more or other designs, you get a chance not to miss them out. And for more colors, more different designs, follow me on Instagram. That's why you'll see more up to date or in the shorts here on YouTube. So on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspire. So let's demold. So this is the one you've been following me on. Right, let's put it there. It's the one we put clear. So we'll compare. And this is the other round, different shape. Now I want to see how they look. So up close, I'm hoping it will focus nicely. When we turn it around, you can see the layers and the colors. You see that slight contrast as it was building up. Yeah, there's a bubble in there, but I don't mind because we're looking at this like an ocean, you know, so having bubbles is okay, you know. And anyway, each design is different. So this is how it looks. The same one looks, you can see the colors defined more, but I think, tell me, which would you pick? The one with the turquoise blue or the one that's clear? You can see so nicely against the white. But let me put it against my skin. You tell me. You really can't tell the difference. Let's see. So which of this would you prefer? The clear one or the one with the turquoise blue like the ocean? So stick around. I'm going to put it together, put the chains. You see how it finally looks. God bless you, Barakatele. Thank you for watching, and this is a perfect gift for a loved one. So let me know if you'd like. DM me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires. God bless you, Barakatele. See you on the next one.